Hey traders, a very quick update here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So without wasting any time, what do we have right here? Price is now pushing up nicely above 50 EMA and 20 EMA so to look at, because this is the zone from where the price has previously pushed down from right here, from here, pushed up from this zone, which is a level of significance. So have these zones on the charts. In case you missed this zone, it is on Oana 2.341 that goes up to 2.427, a zone from where we are going to enter our sell trades with bearish engulfers, double tops, inverted hammers or 382 candles. For now, I'm still looking for buying opportunities. Price is now bullish. If I get a reason to enter with a retest of 20 or 50 EMA followed by a bullish engulfer, I will go long unless and until we are in this area of value. Once the price is inside this area of value, I will enter my sell trades with one of the conditions I've mentioned, and by the time the price hit the zone, we will have the overbought situation in the RSI. So adding all that, we will have a good chance that price will likely give you a nice fall before it can push up again. Here on currency.com, the zone here is 2.478, goes up to 2.553, a zone from where we want to enter sell trades with one of the conditions, double tops or bearish engulfers, inverted hammers. For now, we are just looking for buying opportunities and only buying till the price hit this area of value right up there. So have these zones. Once price hit this zone, we're going to enter our sell trades. Right here on gold, we have interest rate decisions in couple of minutes. Right here the forecast is 5.25 and actual is exactly the same, so it means they're not going to raise or decrease interest rate decisions. Looking at data here means that we can have a clear trend after we have a release. If we have a break below, we are bearish, break above, we are bullish. So we might get a break of consolidation after the interest rate decision released. If they increase the interest, then we have a chance gold will push down. And if we have a break of this consolidation right here, and if we have a direction of the downside, then we have a likely chance price will push down and hit the zone below, which is 1895, that goes down to 1872.16, from where we will enter buy trade. If you have a dramatic push up, then the zone above to take your sell trades is 1999.37, that goes up to 2009. So we'll see the direction how it goes. Broke above, we have a bullish continuation. Broke below, we have a confirmation that price will now push down. Exactly the same for silver. Keep an eye here, very important, after the Fed interest rate decision. The next zone to buy silver is 22.45, that goes down to 22.03, from where we will enter our buy trades. Broke above this high, then it will turn completely bullish. Right here, last one, we have crude oil. So remember my last video, I've said that price can likely push up, hit 50 EMA, form bearish engulfer. Let me show you what I've said in my last video. Price has broken above 20 EMA. It is very likely that price will hit 50 EMA and then give you sell signal, something like this. As now price has made a new low with a pullback, if we have a sell signal, we have a very likely chance that crude oil can break below this zone as well. So that is what I'm looking at, looking for sell signal from 50 EMA. For now, it is bullish till 50 EMA. Nice one. So we have an exact move out of crude oil. Now it is not one of my favorite commodities, but we have a good bearish signal. It's a bearish engulfer, valid signal, and looking at that, the ATR of this candle is 90, means less than $1, almost $1. So we can expect 90 points push down from crude oil. So that is what I'm looking at. We have a bearish signal for crude oil, so not buying at this point, buying only above 50 EMA. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.